Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video about nails. So let's start it. If you are love decorating your nails, but right to are looking for a manicure at the alt salon or the nail artist studio, there are some of the simple nail designs ideas for you a watch, which you are trendy and a lovely by at all the every oceans. Creeping below the 15 straining simple nail designs you will allow. Best simple nail designs. Heart-shaped simple nail designs. On your left ring, fingers created to adorn used to a toothpick after dipping in the polish. Next to a thing and to a make a second dot. Turn up a one a dot down the toothpick to making a 25 degrees angle. Create the head of adhering the second dot down to a unit to touch to a first dot. A very cute nail license which can suit women of all ages. If you are unsure about your nail shape, then to check out your details down to a nail shapes. As we list to all the 15 types from a long nails on a coffin nails, we list all of them. Glittery simple nail designs, creating your just a clear base coat and then with this sparkly silver polish. Add some sparkle to every look to create it to a perfect start the middle and a clear at this apertures. The nail tips after which added to a more cost. This is a very simple nail designs with glitter.